Good day, dear researchers. I am Dr. Hilda Habacon Aseoche, and I'm happy to be with you today. I wish to inspire you by sharing how we can use trials and struggles as a weapon to success. For me, success comes from an individual's dream, and that dream is the light that will shine his way. Allow me to share a story about a girl's journey and struggles. This girl grew up in a poor family where she needed to work hard and steady at the same time. Growing up, she always received mockery and was underestimated by most people around her. She has few friends, but she didn't want to share these bad experiences she was enduring. Instead, showing a happy and carefree version of herself is what she does to hide her pain. Every time people mock and look down on her, her confidence deteriorates, especially when she was in high school, when her teacher asked her to join a contest. In that contest, there were many judges, and before they announced the winner, it took them 10 days. Then she was declared as the winner. The winner in that contest could represent the school to a higher level. When she was practicing with the head teacher of the school as her coach, she was asked if she belonged from the A class, which meant the highest section. And she said, "I'm not." Instead, she emphasized that she came from the B class. The next morning, they told her that her score was actually the same with another girl from A class. They wanted her to compete again with the other girl, which for her is obviously because they don't like her, because she didn't belong from the cream of the crop. That incident made her feel that she's not good enough, even though she gave everything. She started feeling that she's not a good performer, she's nothing. But yet, she thought of striving harder. And even though she achieved something, she always instilled in her mind that she should not judge one's ability just because he or she didn't belong to the best. Although she heard people talking bad about her without them knowing that she's just around, she never used that to take revenge or argue with them. Yeah, she cries, and she cried alone. But she always got back tougher and much stronger. Because for her, instead of arguing or giving them back a dose of their own medicine, she decided to focus on her dreams and to strive harder and outdid them, showing that she's not the type they could just pull down and mock anytime they want. She used their mocking as inspiration. Whenever she meets challenges, she always remember these harsh words to keep her going and to achieve her best goals. Every time she finds people ridiculing or bullying her, she even strives more to make sure she will be advanced and ahead of these people. So, in time, they will regret those words they utter against her, showing them that someday she will be much better than them. But of course, she still treats them with respect and despite what they showed her. Now she's in a way better position, a more successful than these people who used to look down on her and mock her before. Her goal was achieved because she was able to change them, even just a little. Since these people are now treating her nicely with respect. So, in life, she learned that success is the sweetest revenge. Yeah, we all have stories like this, but it all come in different versions and ways. So we all should bear in mind that knowing more of what you want in life will help you see where you need to focus. Also, we should not allow ourselves to be drowned by evil works and keep our faith and the good heart within us. Because your star will definitely shine brightly in the right time and place. Just be patient and continue to do good. So, when we were talking about key to success, for me, it's to achieve it. It's the first thing to do is to know what your dreams are or things that will satisfy you or make you feel fulfilled and accomplished. Because defining what success is very important. It will give you direction. Knowing where to go will help you save time and effort. Because a person who doesn't have plans will definitely won't know where to go. Just like Winston Churchill once said, success is walking from failure to failure with no less of enthusiasm. It's because on our way towards our goal, we will always experience hardships, trials, miseries, mocking, every obstacles there is. Everyone will experience that. No one is excused. So these will mostly keep us from moving forward. And some may get burned by the hardships and some little things which we sometimes mistaken for success. And all of this may hinder us from achieving the real one. Reaching one's dream is never easy. It is full of struggles and miseries. In order to reach that dream, we all must learn to make use of these as an inspiration, for they become our weapon to fight back and achieve success. I know it's easy to say than done, right? But are you aware that most people who quit are those rather who cannot see the beauty of these challenges and struggles? When we acknowledge our challenges and struggles, the setbacks, our difficulties, we can know our strengths and limitations. Because upon knowing this, we can now focus on things that we need to improve. Our failure doesn't mean it's the end, but it's a new beginning. A chance to rearrange and do things differently and way better than what we used to do. So, as an educator, we must influence our students to be brave, calm, and courageous while facing challenges. And instead of focusing on their failure, teach them to focus more on things that may help them avoid failing the second time. We must show them that in every failure lies a lesson that they can use to become better in every challenge. The lessons they can get from their failures will surely strengthen them and help them to become even more stronger. This is what we must pass on to our children and learners. Let's make them feel that failing is never a big deal, for as long as you intend to change for the better. Let's encourage them to try and be courageous to find the reasons why they weren't able to make it, so that they will know which part should be improved or changed. When an individual is too afraid to see what went wrong, he won't be able to do it correctly because he is not aware of the problem. And as a researcher, we don't stop finding solutions to every problem we can see and experience because our job is to really find problems to solve for the betterment of our nation. We should not stop if we encounter difficulties. Instead, find the root cause of these problems. It may be a long journey, but it will surely be worth it. Just like what Paul Bennett said, when it comes to success, there are no shortcuts. Thank you and God bless us all. This is once again Dr. Hilda Habacon Aseoche.